Hi everyone, and welcome back to It's Totally Therapy. Today we are doing freeze hand exercises. These exercises can build finger and hand strength, fine motor skills in tabletop activities, play activities, and writing activities. So let's get started. Our first exercise will be hand squeezes. So once you hear the song, we're gonna start squeezing. Ready? Let's go. Freeze! Clasp your hands and hold it. Hold tight. Whew, good job. Very good. Next exercise, we're gonna wiggle our fingers. Ready? Let's go. Freeze! Stack them up. Great job. The next exercise, we're gonna put our hands together and we're gonna open our fingers and close our fingers. Let's go. Freeze. Letter L's. Hold it. Great job. Next exercise, we're gonna keep our thumbs up and we're gonna pinch, pinch, pinch. And freeze. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Hold it. Great job. Next exercise, we're gonna put our hands together and we're gonna do alligator snaps. Snap and turn, snap and turn, snap and turn. Let's go. Freeze. Touch your shoulders. Great job. Our next exercise, we're gonna bring our fingers together and we're gonna do finger taps. Tap, tap. Make sure you have a nice round circle. Let's go. One hand forward, one hand backward. Hold it. Great job. Last exercise for today. We're gonna tap, tap, clap. Tap, tap, clap. Tap, tap, clap. Let's go. Holding two fingers, hold, 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 nice and straight. That was a great job exercising our fingers. I hope to see you all again next time. Bye!